Okay, my friend, let's have some real talk for a second. When you get diagnosed with diabetes, especially type 2, you hear the same advice over and over again. Cut back on sugar, eat better, take your medications, check your numbers. That's all important, of course. But there's a giant missing piece nobody tells you about. And this missing piece can wreck your progress, even if you're doing everything right. If your vitamins are low, especially these 3 vitamins I'm about to disclose, your insulin will not work as well as it should. Your nerves will get weaker, your blood sugar becomes harder to manage, and your body starts showing little warning signs you don't even recognize as deficiency symptoms. And here's the wild part. Most diabetics are low in all 3 vitamins, and they don't even know it. So if you've ever felt tired all the time, if your mood has been all over the place, if your blood sugar feels unpredictable, or you're doing all the right things and still not seeing any improvement, this might be the missing piece that you should know about. So today, I'm going to break down the top 3 vitamins that every diabetic needs, why they matter, the symptoms that nobody connects to the deficiencies, and how to start fixing things right now, today. And yes, this is beginner friendly. And I'm not here to overwhelm you. I'm here to make your journey so much more easier. Now let's start with vitamin number 1. This is B6, vitamin B6, the ignored powerhouse. That's what I call it. Most people don't think twice about vitamin B6. It's like that quiet kid in school who never causes trouble, but if they didn't show up one day, everything would fall apart and you would miss them. If you have diabetes, vitamin B6 becomes one of the most important nutrients in your entire routine, and your body burns through it faster than the average person does. Here's why. When your blood sugar is high, your kidneys try to protect you. They push out the extra sugar through your urine. But guess what? Tags along with it for that ride. Vitamin B6. So your body loses B6 faster, especially if your numbers have been high for quite a while. Inflammation plays a huge role as well. Diabetics deal with more inflammation than the average person does, which forces the body to use more vitamin B6 for the body's repairs. And if you're taking metformin or certain blood pressure medications, these can drain vitamin B6 from your body even more. Now, here's the tricky part. A B6 deficiency doesn't always scream for attention. Instead, those symptoms whisper. You feel tired all the time, brain fog, mood swings, tingling or burning in your hands and feet, skin changing, immune system dipping, and in more serious cases, anemia. B6 is also tied to nerve function, hormone balance, energy, and even how your body uses glucose. When it's low, insulin becomes less effective. Your numbers creep up, you feel a step behind every single day. But the good news though, B6 is easy to get from food you eat. Chickpeas are one of the best sources. Salmon, turkey, sunflower seeds, and beef liver are great as well. And if food alone isn't enough, many diabetics take vitamin B6 in the P5P form, which is easier for the body to use. But that's always something to run by your doctor first though. Now let's move on to vitamin number 2, because this one is another silent hero. It's vitamin E, your body's natural shield. Think of vitamin E as your body's built-in armor. It protects your nerves, your blood vessels, your heart, your skin, basically everything diabetes tries to attack in your body. Well, here's the twist. Diabetics use up vitamin E much faster than the average person. When your blood sugar is high, oxidative stress increases. That means your cells are under constant pressure. And vitamin E is the antioxidant that your body burns by trying to fight it off. On top of that, diabetics often struggle with fat absorption. And since vitamin E is fat soluble, your body may not hold on to it either. Low vitamin E symptoms sneak up as well. Your coordination feels off, Numbness and tingling gets worse. Skin becomes dry. Your eyes strain faster. You heal more slowly. Your immune system feels weaker. And nerve pain can flare up because vitamin E protects nerve cells from damage. I feel there's something on my ear. Vitamin E also helps keep your blood vessels flexible, which is huge for preventing circulation problems, heart disease, neuropathy, and eye problems. But the real power of vitamin E is how it works at the cellular level. It protects your cells from damage caused by high blood sugar. It reduces inflammation, it supports insulin sensitivity, and it even regenerates vitamin C so that your body can keep fighting. Food sources for vitamin C: sunflower seeds, almonds, hazelnuts, cooked spinach, and avocados. If your doctor approves supplements, natural vitamin E absorbs the best. Now let's talk about the vitamin that everyone thinks they're getting enough of, but diabetics lose it faster than anybody else. Yes, I'm talking about the same vitamin C. Your body's fire extinguisher, that's what I call it. Most people only think about vitamin C when they have a cold. But for diabetics, vitamin C is one of the most important nutrients you can prioritize. High blood sugar literally blocks vitamin C from entering your cells because glucose and vitamin C use the same pathway. Listen to this. If there's too much sugar in the way, vitamin C gets pushed to the back of the line. On top of that, diabetics urinate more when blood sugar is high, which means vitamin C gets flushed out faster. Low vitamin C shows up in ways people never connect: constant fatigue, bruising easily, slow healing, gum problems, dry skin, getting sick often, joint pain, and stiffness. Sometimes it even shows up as iron deficiency. Vitamin C protects nerve cells, kidney cells, retinal cells, and blood vessel linings. It reduces inflammation. It helps your body form collagen so that wounds can heal faster. It improves insulin function. It strengthens your immune system. See how many things it does? And it helps prevent heart disease by keeping your arteries flexible. The food sources include bell peppers, kiwi, strawberries, and citrus fruits, which are the highest natural source of vitamin C in the entire world. Supplements are common because vitamin C is easily depleted, but liposomal vitamin C absorbs best and is gentler on the stomach. Now here's why these three vitamins matter more than most people realize. If all three of these vitamins are low, and for many diabetics they are low, your body will struggle harder than it needs to. Your nerves feel worse, your heart works harder, your eyes get tired faster, your blood sugar becomes harder to control and manage, and your healing slows way down. But the minute you start replenishing these vitamins through food or supplements, if your doctor approves of it, of course, things will start to shift. Your energy will improve, your nerves calm down, your blood sugar becomes steadier, your sleep improves, your mood lifts, and your whole body starts to feel supported instead of stressed all the time. Here's what you should do starting today. Listen up. But first, you don't need to fix everything overnight. Just know that. Start by adding one food source of each vitamin to your meals this week. Keep it simple. Notice how your energy shifts and pay attention to how your body responds. I hope you're getting value from this video so far. When you're ready to go deeper, I created something that I wish I had when I first was diagnosed. My free ebook, What to Do in the First 30 Days After Your Diabetes Diagnosis. The link is below the video. And if you want the full system that I built to get my A1C from 13.0 to 5.5, it will be inside my Diabetic comeback system. It includes a full breakdown of what I ate, what I tracked, the habits that actually made a difference, and all the emotional support I needed but didn't have. If you feel overwhelmed or alone, this system is just for you. Make sure you grab it from the link below as well. You'll be glad that you did. Please share this video with someone who is struggling with diabetes. And please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because you don't want to miss my next video coming up where I am going to talk about the 11 natural remedies for quick blood sugar control. And number 7 is going to shock you. Oh, I almost forgot. Check out my Amazon shop from the link in the description where you will find these vitamins at a discounted price. You don't have to go searching for them because I did all of that just for you. Now, I want you to take this journey one day at a time. You are not alone. You are doing better than you realize. And your body can improve more than you believe it will. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So make sure you subscribe. Take care now.